guys, so umalis kami ng bahay kasi si Tami wala siyang gana guys, wala ng gana, as in wala siyang energy ba, wala siyang enerhiya. So tulog siya ng tulog, every time he moves he make noise, and then suddenly open house over here. Suddenly guys, nagbigay sa kanya ng guys, sabi pa niya, ligo ko para mag-grocery, o diba? So punta kami ng grocery guys. Ito yung nagbigay sa kanya ng enerhiya.
I go 48 hours with no food. Well, it's really not a big deal.
Are you coming?
I can just buy food there.
Are you going home?
No.
Why again?
Because same thing.
Where is this?
Morning to 11 at night, same place.
In Harlem?
No.
Okay, have faster, honey, because a little bit faster.
No ways.
He doesn't know how to open window, guys. Every time I smoke, it's just like, and then sometimes that's why it's okay, that's it. This car, guys, is my mother-in-law's car. Pero how many, oh, that thing, honey, is a lot already.
What? Miles?
Yeah.
14,000, less than 15,000 miles.
Oh, that's only 14?
Yeah, it's 14,854.
Oh. So, yung
considering is 23 years old.
23 years old.
24 years old.
24 years old na guys, and almost 15 miles lang yung 15,000 miles lang yung nagamit. So, kaya si Tami won't let go with this car kasi the machine or the engine, guys, it's really nice compared to the other cars. The only problem now in this car is the brake is having issue. You can close the back too when you're done.
We'll just smoke it out first.
Okay. So kaya yan. Ito yung
It's not an issue. It's just the car hasn't moved for so damn long.
So, tara guys.
When we started this car up, it was 14,000.
I can hear it, love. Oh.
14,000, yeah, 14,473. So we put less than 400 miles on it since we brought it up here.
400 only?
Less than 400.
Seriously?
From there driving
to New
up
Rochelle.
Here.
Wow.
Yeah, so
because we don't really use it.
No, because we just park it up here.
Yeah.
The only time we put miles on it is when we got to get it to inspection again. The battery dies.
Is it getting nicer?
No, it was nicer before. Busy, aren't they?
Sunday. No, I don't like busy shopping.
Why is it so busy for a Sunday?
I don't know. Busy kay tindahan, guys. Busy ang grocery, guys.
Right there,
Okay, guys. Namili na si Tami. Ang pinakauna talaga niyang bilhin is mga pagkain ng alaga namin. Ito talaga siya. Yan yung pinakauna. Priority ni Dudong Tami. Dental Life. It helps daw sa aming aso. Problemado talaga ako, guys. Basta ito yung kasama ko, guys. Basta mag-grocery na. So, wala pala ito. Hindi pala kumakain itong asawa ko, guys. So, gutom taon ay kaluoy po taon. Okay. Gutom yung taon siya, ay kawawa. So, yun. Buti na lang bumili. Good thing you got some hot food. Why you get a lot of chicken, Han? You cannot cook everything in one time. Plus, I'm still gonna cook my chicken tomorrow. Good morning. Kagabi, nagluto ako ng pagkain niya. Pagkatapos niyang kumain, umalis siya trabaho, tinawagan. And then, inumagahan siya, guys. Kakarating lang niya. And then, ngayon, naghugas na siya ng pinggan. Ang daming kalat doon sa aming counter kasi itong asawa ko mahilig magkalat. Ay, Tami. So, andito na siya. Pagkatapos yan, guys, alam nyo ba, luggage, we have to go to Macy's to buy my luggage, ha? I can do it myself. I'll go alone. And so, kailangan kong bumili ng luggage kasi nga nakita ninyo, I don't know kung nakita ninyo, crack. Gusto kong gamitin, I really still wanna use that crack luggage, hon. And then I will left it in the Philippines. Or you wanna use it here for your junk, right? Gusto ko yung hard luggage kasi yung kay hiniwa man sa Cebu, eh. Pagdating ko sa Cebu, hiniwa talaga, hindi ko man lang namalayan. I think pagpunta ko sa Davao, yun yung time na hiniwa. Guys, Hanapin ng baon si Mister. You don't use this fork here, I guess?
No.
Why?
Because it's not here.
Oh, probably still in the car. What's here?
But a child can be hurt.
No.
I guess it's still
You
in
moved
there.
it the other day, so I assume you have it.
I guess it's still in the car.
In the car?
Yeah.
That's a really bad habit.
You want pineapple, Han?
And somewhere alone, but there is a spark. It's the one thing that separates you from every other living thing. It's God's.
Oh, stand up.
It's a
You won't go
song.
closer.
He sings.
Oh, this won't come on up.
Huh?
But then that
You
won't.
separate it because you bring that inside the box.
Oh, maybe we put this in there. Otherwise it won't get cold. What's the point?
Trabaho si Mister. Kailangan niyang sa trabaho. Do you want banana lang? 3:55 ng umaga. So, meron ako nakita ang video sa TikTok. Bumalik ako natulog kanina. And then, pagising ko ngayon, 7:30 na nagmamadali ako, pinakain ko yung alaga ko, guys. Yung video na yun, binigyan siya ng fine ng gobyerno. Galing siya sa ibang lugar, sa Asia, and then Germany. Pagbalik niya dito sa US, na may dala na siyang banana, bumili siya sa Germany, and then dinala na dito. And then yung immigration or pagbalik niya dito, guys, yung itlog, yung aso, tinitingnan talaga kung ano yung meron sa bag. Itlog. Banana, hindi itlog. Meron pa akong tanong sa inyo, guys, kasi po meron akong plano pag kung makauwi tayo, no? So, meron akong planong magdala dito ng bagong ani na palay, humayba, rice. Yung bagong ani, kasi diba iba yung bagong ani, lalo na kapag, alam mo yon, yung bango, lalo na kapag kalinayan. Gusto kong magdala. So ngayon, ang tanong, baka pa tayo? Magproblema. Meron bang naka-experience po sa inyo na nagdala ng mga, okay lang yung mga dried fish kasi na-try ko na yan. Walang problema yung ganyan. Pag mga prutas, mga liso, I'm not sure. Rice, kakainin man natin yan, no? Hindi man yan itatanim. Mayroon bang naka-experience nagdala ng rice? You know, alam nyo na rice bagong ani. Hindi yung rice na binili lang sa tindahan. Yung bagong ani, I don't know kung mayroon bang naka-experience na ganyan kasi mabango kasi yun, di ba? So, gusto kong malaman kung mayroon kasi gusto ko talagang magdala and then ipatry sa family ni Tami, lalo na sa kapatid ni Tami, gustong matry. Litsi kung kung pwede ba siya. So, I think I have to research, no? Kasi, pero gusto kong magtanong baka may naka-experience or baka talagang delikado siya, ma-deport pa tayo, or hindi man ma-deport, magka-fine lang ba? Or kasi nga siya, yung lucky nga citizen, nag-fine siya $1,000, guys. Yung bayad niya dahil sa nagdala siya ng ang laki ng bayad. So sabi ko, hello, magtanong po ako sa inyo kasi yung halos kadalasan dito naka-experience ng pabalik-balik, no? And then baka meron kayong na-experience na hindi pwede, yung talagang pinagbabawal. So ngayon alam ko na prutas bawal. So isaging, mga ganun. Pero gusto kong malaman kung yung yung rice. Mister, wala. Trabaho siya, di ba? So, ngayon, tayo lang, Walang tayo. Tayo lang. Dito na natin initin yung rice. Yan. Itong dalawang aso ba? Bakit kaya? Anong ginagawa nila doon? Nakatingin doon sa kapitbahay, guys. Nagbili ako ng chicken wings. Lutuin natin yan. Chicken adobo tayo, guys. Basta may bone talaga, the best talaga yan para sa akin. So, kaya, and then mag-charge din ako ng aking mga cellphone kasi overnight, hindi ko chinarge, guys.